Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to navigate into your settings and then scroll down to General Settings, select Storage, swipe down, and here you'll find your SD card, and also you'll find Erase SD card. So you can click on this. It'll give you this message: formatting will erase all the content on the flash drive, and in order to avoid losing loss of content, please perform this operation after your data has been backed up. Now, this is kind of a weird way of describing it, but yeah, basically all the data that is stored on the card is going to be deleted. So make a backup copy of it to, for instance, your PC. Now, assuming you have already done so, you just simply don't want to, select Format. And you can see it gives you a message that send this SD card formatted. So we select Done, and that's it. The card is formatted, and you can scroll down and see that it's already ready to be used once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.